Are you looking to know the difference between a CV and a resume? If yes, please stay through the video and know various points related to the difference between CV and resume. Hi friends! In this video, you will learn what is the difference between a CV and a resume. CV and resume are ways to apply for a job. The purpose of both of them is more or less the same, but the difference lies in the nature and quantity of the content. In several countries, CV and resume are not considered as different ways of application. However, in some countries, such as in the USA, employers specifically mention whether they want a CV or a resume. In order to send your application correctly, you must know what is the difference between a CV and a resume. You also should know what the recruiter is looking for. If you are not sure about it, you can politely ask him/her if they want a CV or resume. Asking politely will only prove yourself more communicative, seeker of clarity, etc. These qualities are preferable by employers. With our topic about what is the difference between a CV and a resume, let's go through the comparative analysis in the following pointers below. CV or curriculum vitae, a detailed description of the career. It is a Latin word for course of life. CV can go as long as 10 pages. Generally, 2 or 3 pages are preferable by recruiters. It includes sections of your career, including education, working experience, skills, etc., in complete details. A CV is used for academic applications in Canada and the USA, including a doctorate, grants, fellowship, etc. A resume is much shorter in length than a CV. It contains major pointers in your education and career. The most preferred way to highlight your experience, education, achievements, etc., is through bullets and headings. For fresher resumes, one-page resumes, and experienced candidates, resumes can go up to 2 pages. What is the different status on CV and resume globally? To know the differences, you must understand the use of the terminologies in the different parts of the world. In Europe, New Zealand, and some other countries, they use CV only. There is no concept of a resume. CVs used in these countries are similar to the resume used in the USA. It is a short and concise document for job applications. You will find some differences between American resumes and CVs at European countries and New Zealand if you go into minor details. Australia and South Africa treat CV and resume as similar and use interchangeably. They consider this as a short career description in 1 or 2 pages. There is another variant known as biodata in South Asia, including India. It includes personal and professional details, including name, date, and place of birth, marital status, working experience, etc. This is all about what is the difference between a CV and a resume. We hope this passage will help you in distinguishing both of the terms. Thanks for watching this video.